Hi everyone, welcome to the second week of our online tutorials. Last week you have learned about formal and informal English. You have learned how to differentiate the situation and use proper English in each situation. In the second week, you're going to learn the module 2. In this module, there are several topics that you will learn. The first one is about vocabularies about things in the office. Second, you will learn about the basic mechanics in writing. And third, you will learn about descriptive paragraph. By the end of this week, you are expected to be able to identify vocabularies related to the things in the office. Second, you are expected to be able to write descriptive paragraph, especially about places. And third, you are expected to be able to implement the mechanics in writing English paragraph. Alright everyone, please check all the activities in Module 2 and don't forget to check the links for the enrichment. And you need to also participate in discussion forum 2. Let's do it and good luck!